Hey guys, what's going on? We're out in Bastrop. I've got my newest assistant, Miss Athena. Athena, what do you think about the house? It's a big, beautiful house. Guys, we're actually walking this for one of our builders. He's about to put this on market in the next 3 or 4 months, and we might even help out with the finish out. Guys, gorgeous house out in Tahitian Village. Let me help my assistant up the stairs here because that's spectacular, spectacular home. Super high ceilings. And it's going to have a picture window straight outside so you can see the pines of Bastrop, Texas. Addie, what do you think?
It's nice. I like it.
Yeah?
Love the windows.
What about the views?
Pretty. Love the trees.
You like the house, Athena? Is it big? All right. Those are my assistants, guys. Future real estate agents in the making. And once again, out in Bastrop, Texas, showing you what we're doing.